Hi, this is Scott with Airmax, here to talk about Airmax Pond Dye. Adding pond dye is a simple and cost-effective method that improves aesthetic appeal and provides shade and protection to your pond. Airmax Pond Dye's powerful 4 times concentrated formula allows each quart to treat like a gallon of competitive brands. Airmax Pond Dye is available in 3 colors to best suit your pond. Each color of Airmax Pond Dye provides the same reliable protection and can be selected based on your personal color preference. Nature's Blue is the ideal color for decorative ponds as it contrasts perfectly with the lush green landscaping. Black DyeMond creates a mirrored surface, which beautifully reflects surrounding trees and natural rocky landscapes, making it perfect for natural ponds and wooded areas. Twilight Blue maintains a neutral, blackish blue tint that is ideal for shading and protecting your pond without making drastic changes to natural pond coloring. 1 quart of Airmax Pond Dye will treat up to a 1-acre pond 4 to 6 feet deep. To use, pond dye liquid should be poured in several spots along the pond's edge. No mixing is required. Be sure to wear gloves when applying. Airmax Pond Dye is also available in easy-to-use water-soluble packets. Pond dye packets are available in 2 colors, Nature's Blue and Black DyeMond. To use, simply toss packets evenly around the pond for proper dispersion. Use 2 packets for up to a 1-acre pond 4 to 6 feet deep. Pond dye should be reapplied every 4 to 8 weeks or as needed depending on rainfall. Airmax Pond Dyes may be applied to ponds and lakes used for irrigation and aquaculture. Water treated with Airmax Pond Dye may be used for recreation, fishing, and other activities immediately after treatment. Airmax Pond Dye is safe for recreational ponds, horses, livestock, birds, pets, fish, wildlife, and the environment. Airmax Pond Dye is part of a 3-step approach to pond and lake management known as the Airmax ecosystem. For more information on the Airmax ecosystem and all our industry-leading products, contact your local dealer or visit us online at airmaxeco.com.